There is a lot of myth and misconfusion about Google ads and Facebook ads, and there are literally hundreds of platforms out there with Instagram influencers. You can try with YouTube influencers. There are a lot of things to advertise your Shopify store, but these two in my recommendation are the best ones to use. And if you use them properly, use these platforms like Facebook ads, Google ads, they have the power to scale your store to even $1 million and beyond. So only focus on these two things and you will grow significantly. So before diving into which platform is good, which platform is bad, and which one to choose in the starting, you have to understand how these two platforms work. So the I will show you image. Literally, Facebook's entire core lies in the detailed targeting module, and if you target the right people, and basically 90% of the Facebook ad success is right over here, which you can see on your screen. This is known as detailed targeting. And if you target the people properly, and what happens is like some people are interested in something and they are passionate about some things, and you can sell those products to them when you can target your own products to them by narrowing their interest. So they will see the products Facebook thinks they are interested. But what happens with Google ads, the story is completely different. Google ads work on this thing known as demandable product concept. So what happens is there are 50-50 searches made on Google and Amazon in USA. Then what happens is 50% of the searches which are made on Google, you can see something like I search for the shoes, and this is literally for every product out there. What happens is people search for shoes or little things that they need. What happens is they see an ad. You can see that you can see two ads right over here. These are basically known as shopping ads, and people literally buy from this because they get the ad in the front. And there's an entirely different tab which is dedicated for shopping on Google, as you can see right over here, because e-commerce is a $1 trillion market and everyone is trying to get into it. Facebook shops has been launched. Yes, every platform out there is trying to enter into e-commerce one way or the other. So you can see like there's a huge opportunity in it. And you can see like shoes. So when you come on to the shopping tab, you can see a lot of shoes right over here. So these are in my native currency, and what happens is these people who are advertising in here are paying for the advertisements. These are basically advertisements which are shown to you, and you can simply click on here. You can simply advertise your Shopify products right over here, and it gets a massive amount of searches every single month. So there's a lot of opportunity, a big piece of pie to consume. And basically the products which work on Google shopping may not work on Facebook ads, because there is an entirely different story behind that. The products which work on Google shopping are already products which have millions of dollars in funding and people have already bought it. There is a huge talking about it. That products are very well likely to be winning in terms of Google ads. But what we do is like we go out there, we advertise the products on Google. Then what happens is when we collect that data, we will be installing Pixel on the first day of our creating the store. So after the Pixel data is collected over the 30 days 60 days period, then what we can do is we can go out there and start with Facebook ads, and then Facebook ads will work completely fine, because you will be able to advertise the product based on the data the Pixel is having. And Facebook Pixel is the strongest thing you can ever have in your business, because once you have that, you will start getting profitable sales very easily. I see that there was a friend of mine who has 1 million events of purchases and add to carts video content. And what happens is whenever he runs any product advertisements, he get profitable sales. Why? Because Facebook starts to present your product to the people who are very likely to be interested, because Facebook knows by its algorithm and by the pixel data you are having to give you that competitive advantage, and that pixel data will become your competitive advantage in the future. So that is basically how you can do it. First of all, like I when I started it out, I started with Facebook ads and struggled with it. People waste thousands and $2,000 $3,000 worth of Facebook advertisements even without getting even a single sale. So that was the method I was doing earlier, and I did find out like I was doing it completely wrong, and I fixed some things and it worked for me. So I started teaching the Facebook ads in the starting. But what happened was when I stumbled across the concept of Google ads, Google shopping ads basically in general, the entire game was changed. I was able to get profitable sales within 100, 200, $300 of ad spend, and I was able to make completely profitable stores from the starting. So this is basically was the huge game changer. And I when I got into this thing, I started teaching the same thing over to my students. So if you're in less budget, you start with Google ads. You do not have to make the brand right from the start with Facebook ads. When you have that initial profits that you can reinvest in your business, then you can start with Facebook ads. Because trust me, Facebook ads, you will invest a lot of money in Facebook ads, and basically you will burn that money to get that data in your pixel. And once that data is built up, your pixel will outperform every other person pixel which is new. So this is basically the entire game. And don't worry about focusing burning money on advertisements. So that's in my opinion is why Google ads is better than Facebook ads, at least in the starting, because it makes you profitable very quickly. And I have seen it over and over again and again. By the way, if you want to learn how you can start running profitable ad campaigns with Google ads, you can hop on the link down below. That we go completely step by step, and how we start with Google advertisements in the starting, and we could become profitable within 200 $300 of ad spend, and then how we scale that store to even six figures and beyond by choosing the winning products we get in Google Shopping ads. So we have a complete strategy step by step which you can follow and start making profitable business starting from today. That's all for this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit on the notification bell so that you never miss another update again.